Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to Jinamon channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. Please don't forget to follow my page and subscribe to my channel as well. In today's recipe, I'll share with you how to make bread corn samosa. This turned out so delicious. It's yummicious. Just look at it. Isn't it amazing? I hope you're going to give this recipe a try because it's definitely a must-try recipe. Let's get started. So we're going to first start with the filling. Just look at this amazing chicken filling. It turned out so delicious, guys. In the saucepan, add in olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice. I then added in crushed garlic and chopped onion. I'll let this simmer for more or less 3 minutes, and then I'll add in the chicken breast, chicken seasoning, black pepper. Lastly, I added in salt. I'll let this cook for about 5 minutes. So stay close to it and keep stirring, and then make sure you break it into smaller pieces. If not, it will stick together. So after 5 minutes, I'll go ahead and add in the vegetables, which is carrots, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, red onion, vegetable seasoning, and then I'll stir this together and then let it cook for some minutes more, for about 3 to 5 minutes more. And just look at it. After, I'll go ahead and add in the flour, stir it together to well combined again, and then let it cook for more or less 2 minutes. I'll add in just a pinch of water to help to make it a little bit soggy. So guys, this chicken filling is very simple and easy. Everything in the pot and you are good to go. Lastly, I added in chopped green onion, chopped parsley, and chili pepper, which is totally optional. I'll stir this together to well combined again, and then your filling is ready, guys. Just look at it. It's so amazing, and it turned out delicious. Look at it. So I kept that aside until it cools down completely. And then for the bread, you're going to need the white bread. You can use the normal bread and cut off the crust. So I'll divide it into 2 equal parts and then keep them aside. I'll bring one of them and then use a rolling pin to roll it out. But first, let's make the flour glue. So in the small bowl, add in about a tablespoon of flour and then a tablespoon of water. I'll stir this together till well combined until it's formed a paste, just like so. Make sure it's very thick. I'll then go ahead and roll it with a rolling pin. As you can tell from the video, I've already made some that I've kept it aside. So roll it, and it should be thin as this, just like this, as demonstrated in the video. Before folding it or rolling it or making the bread corn, make sure you use the glue to apply it on the edge and then roll it. So first, you're going to roll it into half and then use your index finger to hold the end, that tip, and then fold it just like so. It's simple, easy, and you're good to go. Open it, add in the filling, and you're ready to go. It's so easy and simple. Please give this recipe a try and let me know in the comment section. I also added in cheese as well, which is also totally optional. I'll then apply glue on the edge and then fold it on top. And that's it, guys. It's simple, easy, and it turned out yummicious. At this point, you want to go ahead and preheat your oil and then coat the stuffed bread and fry them. So first, thin face, put it in the egg wash and then breadcrumbs. Make sure it's well coated. When done, try your best to shake out any excess breadcrumbs and then keep it aside. Finish all and fry those bad boys. It's as simple as that, and it turned out delicious. It's easy and it's so yummicious. So by then your oil should have come to should have been preheated, and then fry these bad boys. It's simple, guys. Stay close to it and keep turning until they are ready, until the bad boys are ready. You do not want to let it stay too much on the fire, as everything is pre-cooked, so you do not want to let it overcook it. Or once it turns to slightly golden brown like this, that means it's ready. Take it off from the fire and then put it on a paper to drain the excess oil. That's it, guys. It's simple, easy, and delicious. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. Why don't you give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page, and guys, just look at this. The cheese that I added to it also took this thing to wherever you want to go. It took it to heaven, guys. It was so delicious. Just look at it. It's crunchy on the outside, soft inside. It turned out so delicious. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Love you all and stay blessed.